in previous video, I already shared A to L sounds. If you have not watched that video, kindly watch that. So here, let's start. Look at here, this is letter is M. Letter is M. But sound is Sound is M and it speak together. Mango. Monkey. So this is sound is and this is letter is and but sound is Sound is nest. Nose. So sound is no. This one is letter is O. Letter is O. Your mouth is like that. But sound is O. 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 Orange. Sound is O. Orange. This letter is P. But sound is P. P. Mouth, both lip lock. Okay, so letter is P, but sound is P. Here is letter is Q, Q, but sound is Qua, Qua, Qua. This is Qua, Queen, Quilt. So sound is Qua. Next one is letter is R. But sound is R. Your tongue go up and this sound come from your vocal cord. R, 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 rat, R, rabbit, rabbit, rat. Okay. So this is letter is S. Letter is S. But sound is S. Snake, sun. Sound is mouth is closed, your tongue will touch with your teeth. Okay, and this is T. Letter is T, but sound is to. T. T. Tiger. T. Television. So this is letter is T, but sound is T. This is letter is U, but sound is O. First letter of Hindi. Okay, Hindi alphabet O. So this is letter is O. O. Little bit heavy you speak O. Umbrella. So O. Letter is B. Letter is V. But sound is W. W. Your teeth touch with this lip. W. W. When. Violent. So this is W. This one is W. Letter is W. The sound is W. W. Watch. W. Watch. W. This is S. Only sound. S. X. 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 This is letter is Y, but sound is Yo. Yo. Little bit heavy sound. Yo. Yo-yo. Yellow. So this is letter is Y, but sound is Yo. And this one is letter is Z, but sound is Z. Z. Zebra. Z. Mouth closed. Z. Zebra. So this is letter is Z, but sound is Z. One more time, I am repeating all the sounds. Okay. This is O. P. R. S. T. T. W. Y and Z. In this video, I showed to Z. Everyone, please make list of objects. Suppose, look at here. This is letter is mango. You can make words that is started from sound monkey. More and more words you make. You can make more and more words. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.